All right, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about how to replace wiper blades for my wife's car, which is a 2012 GMC Acadia, right? So I don't know if this is the original wiper blades for the car, but this is the one that I'll be replacing. And this one, it's the brand is Bosch, I guess. And the one that we're placing today is a HP. It looks like HP or A premium quality. So I bought this off of Amazon. This is the second set that I bought. The first set that I bought, even though they got recommended a lot, but when I tried to install it, it was not the right fitment. So let me show you how you're gonna do it. Right. So to remove to take this off, you just press these two things. There's one on this side and one on the other side, and you just pull it forward. And this is what it comes with. So let's unbox it. So this is what the replacement look like. So let me put it side by side so you can see it. So there you go. So if you have something similar to this, it will fit. So once again, the first set that I bought didn't fit. So to put it back, install it, put it on like that. You see that? And then you just press it in, and it will clip right in. There, done. All right, so just like that, I have two of the wipers installed. It was less than 5 minutes. All right, so check these out. These are the lengths of the wipers, just in case if you guys need it. The long one will be 24 inches, and the shorter one it'll be 21 inches. And this is adapter type A type, position front windshield, and this is the SKU number WBKO GMO46-C. So once again, I'll list, if you have a GMC Acadia 2012, I think probably 12, like maybe 2000, I'm not sure. Probably, I don't think they changed the model until later on the year, but mine is exactly 2012. So if you're looking to replace it, you might want to check it out in the link, all right? Other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.